Hello students, today we are going to learn about parts of plant. You know, plant are divided into two parts or the two system, root system and the shoot system. Root system which is under the ground and the above ground plant is called shoot system. Root system only having roots and shoot system having stem, leaf, flower, fruits. In this video, I saw you something about root, leaf, stem. Okay? Underground. Root is underground, which is of two types, tap root and fibrous root. The function of root is absorption of water and mineral from the soil and provide strength to the whole plant body. This is the tap root. Only one primary root is present and all the secondary and tertiary root arises from the primary root. This is the tap root. This is the fibrous root. All the thread-like structure appear from the lower portion. No primary, no secondary root. All the thread-like structure. In advanced plant like dicot plant, tap root is found, and in lower plant monocot having fibrous root are found. Let us discuss about stem. Stem is the uppermost part where the leaves are arises. Stem is the main important part of the stem is node and internode. Node where the leaves are arises is called node, and between two node a segment is called internode. Next, leaf. Leaf is attached to the stem is called leaf base. This is the leaf base. The flat portion is called blade and the outer area margin is called margin. The midrib is between the leaf, it is called midrib, and veins, these are vein, and these small veins are called veinlets. Function of leaf is photosynthesis. Come to the point of flower. Flower is the most important part. It is the sexual part of the flower. This is called pedicel, where the flower is attached to the stem. This is called radicle, where the flower is attached from the base. This green portion is called sepals, and color portion is called petals. This is the important feature of the plant. This is the reproductive part of the plant. The yellow portion is called stamen, and this red one is called carpel. Stamen is the male part and carpel is the female part. And this is the most important portion of the plant where the seeds or the fruits are arise. It is called ovary. This is called ovary. I think in this video you learned about the plant parts. Thank you students.